I wonder if I can go 5 more levels in this stream and open the milestone pack too. Uh, can we get like 5 more levels in 2 or 2 to 3 hours? I'm holding this. If he plays boar, we need to top deck one of our weapons. Boar will be a significant value loss for us. Yeah, he's going for boar. Okay, we got the weapon from 4G. Maybe we can stabilize and get the board before turn 5. We got our own board. Okay, everything seems fine. Now we can build up our board until our common onslaught. Jason, yeah, this must be a slower nature deck with hunt and all the other bullshit. Hmm. Yeah, I will just try to bait him. Okay, he's going for full clear too. That's annoying actually. Come on. He killed our precious Amazons. Okay. I will hold this. I don't want him to hunt this and clear the board with our tokens, so I will just wait for Nimby, Acrimony and Onslaught. This is the worst case scenario, by the way. Please, please, RNG. Please. Nah. Never lucky. But we know that he doesn't have hunt. Maybe he's baiting us, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't have the hunt. And other stuff of roots. Never lucky. Okay. This is the turn. 8, 10, 11 HP on the board, 2 damage from... Okay, this is just garbage. This is just pure garbage. It's GG, right? Does he even have coin? Nah. Let's use it. I don't want to do greedy. I don't want to do some greedy move. Never lucky. See? let's see. I'm calculating the RNG. Let's forage you first. Oh, we failed. I should get rid of the Field Martyr. It's not good card. I mean, this is like 3 mana Yeti right now, but we need to have like 4 additional minions on the board to get some value. Come on, Zenimoon. He lost. This is the ultimate BM. The ultimate BM. Now he's roping us. Real classy. If you are losing, always rope your opponent, man. Like, always do it.